The other day we were able to get the garden completely tilled, and now it is time to work on a new project over here, which is something I've been waiting to do for a really long time. Something I've been thinking about for a couple years now has been getting chickens, and I really have wanted to have a small coop with rainbow eggs, and I finally bit the bullet this year, got myself some chicks, and now my dad is here to help me build out a chicken coop because these chicks are growing fast and it's going to be time to put them outside within a few weeks. Because I have my garden right here, I want my chickens to be fairly close to the garden, and I'm thinking about laying it out in this space where my garden used to be. So right when Evan and I moved here, this was where my garden bed was, and it just got a little bit too shaded out by the trees that are here. So I ended up moving the garden over a little bit for the past 3 years. Because of me having my garden beds here, you can kind of see where my rows were, the humps in the ground. There's a lot of unevenness where my beds were. So we're going to have to level this out so we can place the chicken coop right in the middle of where the garden is now. We also have a lot of brush and debris piles that need taken care of. So right now my dad is got the fire going so that we can clear it all out. And then once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and start on the foundation of the chicken coop. We've got the area mostly leveled out. It is not perfect, but that's okay. It's just a chicken coop. And I want to make sure that nothing's gonna be digging underneath here. So we do have some chicken wire that we're gonna be using on the ground. I will not be using this for the chicken coop itself because I know that predators can get into chicken wire, get their hands in there and stuff. So we are just going to be using it as dig protection around the foundation of the coop. So we've got the base down, we've got the chicken wire in and landscape staked all the way around. So now we just need to anchor the foundation into the ground. able to get the rough structure of the chicken coop together. This was much more than I thought we were going to be able to get done today, so I am very pleased with how it's looking so far. I know it's made out of pallets. I know that it's really rough right now, but once I get the exterior on, this is just the framing and the structure. Once I get the actual exterior on and get it painted, it's going to look really cute. The purpose of this build was to utilize things that I already had in the basement. I've needed to clean the basement out for a while, so all this wood that Evan's grandfather had in the basement, we were able to grab pallets for free, so that was a lot of nice wood and structure we were able to use. And then of course we had extra 2x4s and 2x6s in the basement we were able to pull out. My current total for this build is about $32 for the deck screws we've used to screw everything together. Of course there's going to be a little bit more into that. I'm going to have to buy some more 2x4s because we used what was available in the basement. I'm also going to have to grab some hardware cloth. I really want to put some windows in, and of course what's going to go on the roof. So we are going to have to put a little bit of money into this build, but I'm really excited to be using some reclaimed materials and free materials to put this together. Thank you for coming along as we do part 1 of our chicken coop build. Make sure to stay tuned if you want to see the rest of it. Go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when we upload the next one.